Hi, Ohouse. I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Julian.
And welcome to our home. I've been living in San Francisco for almost 7 years.
And I've lived in San Francisco for a little over 8 years.
We like to try different restaurants in our neighborhood, travel. We like to stay active. We've been living in this apartment now for about 1.5 years. I work in recruiting, Julian works in marketing. We both had really different styles that we liked. I love Scandinavian and Japanese influence.
I'm definitely a lot more minimal. I think Kathleen is a bit more of a maximalist, and so it's kind of been a fun process figuring out how to compromise between our two distinct styles. Wellness is important to me. We have a treadmill, a sauna, things that wouldn't ordinarily be in a San Francisco apartment.
Moving into our late 20s, early 30s makes us want to invest in more furniture that will have longer term, invest in something that we'll have for years and years.
So these are vintage Crate and Barrel.
Oh, the bookshelves.
This coffee table that we had custom made from apartment 1007. They were making pieces for like BTS member, Paris Fashion Week, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Some advice that I would give anybody that's furnishing their apartment for the first time, it's like, be patient, don't feel the need to kind of fill your space just because you have space to fill. We have a pretty good balance of pre-owned and new things.
Mm-hmm. I feel like we're both homebodies in the sense that we're a little bit introverted and we need our home to be this space where we can feel most productive.
I want to be my best self at home. I want to be my most productive self at home, and we've tried to curate a space that allows both of us to do that.
Decorating our home has been kind of our creative outlet.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah.
Anything else?
I think we covered it.